Yeah, I have to say, I like this story. So, as you probably may or may not like yellow. Yes, I know, Joker normally has either green or yellow eyes, but it's not just pure green or pure yellow. I mean, it makes him look creepier. It did better than what... Oh, it's Cornelius again. Each and every goddamn story I find that has Cornelius Stirk in it makes me want to get a fucking story about Cornelius. Because he's the fucking supposed to be... Since I like the idea of the character Cornelius Stirk. What? You sure about that? Well, it's fun. Oh, it's fun. Fun to me again.